The best way for beginners to make good money needs to check off these 3 boxes. Number 1, it needs to be online. Put the right product in front of the right audience and you are making money. By making sure that your product is digital and your audience is online, you have instant access to the entire world. Now it will be much easier for you to find the right product to sell to the right audience. Number 2, it needs to be risk-free. If you think that you need to invest a lot of money, max out your credit cards and take big loans to make money online, you don't. The purpose of an online business is to provide value to people. Value that people are willing to pay you money for. All you need is a product and a place where people can find your product and pay for that product. Now, back in the days, that meant that you need to have a physical product and also a physical storefront where people can find and buy that product from you. But today, all you need is a digital product and a website, and amazingly enough, both of those are super cheap today. So the only thing that you should be risking when it comes to making money online is your time. And that is something that you need to be willing to be risking. 3, it needs to be simple. To make money online, you need an online business, and you have 2 approaches to take with your online business. Either you can start off with outsourcing, which means that you're hiring people to do the things that you don't enjoy or that you are not good at. Now, if that is design or marketing, you need to hire a designer or a marketer. Now, the other option, which is the one that actually I recommend, is to choose a simple business model. A model where you need to do as few jobs as possible and can focus on the most important thing with your business, that is to grow that business and make more money. Now, the motto that I have always used is to master one thing. And then all my time and effort has gone into staying consistent with that one thing. Now, all you need to do is to decide on the business and the product that you would like to master and stay consistent with that thing. Because the absolutely worst thing and the biggest mistake that I see today is actually when people are switching between different types of business models and products. It's actually the most certain way to not getting your business off the ground and to never get your business profitable. So what I actually focused all my time and energy on when I was a beginner is what I believe to be the most profitable and best way to have a business up and running today, which is called online courses. And I have actually been creating online courses with my best friend Robin since 2017, and we have over 150,000 students and have also made over $400,000 selling them. So the reason I went with this business model is because this business model has all the things I need, such as it's completely online based. It sells itself, so it's a passive income. It has a 90% profit margin. It's completely risk-free and it's super simple. It sells itself, it markets itself, which means that I can just spend more time on creating additional courses to make additional income. And if you want to learn more about how this specific business model works that has been generating me $20,000 per month for the last few years, I encourage you to just click in the description box down below on that link to join the free training. It's completely free. I will teach you all the steps you need in order to create online income. And if you enjoy all of these tips and you would like to stay on YouTube, just click on this video here to learn more about our business model and how all of this works. Or you can click in the description box down below to join that free training. Just add in your email address. That's all we are asking for. If not, you can just stay on YouTube and click this video. It's completely up to you.